Let me talk quickly about 3 trends and why a 50-year-old general manager will not be able to cope and you should be. And how and what does it mean for your preparation for interviews? The first thing, the physical office, my friends, is dead. Long live the physical office. And it has actually allowed the corporates to wake out of their inertia, wake out of the slumber and resort to virtual office. Virtual offices will need communication skills, adaptability skills, which a youth of your age is expected to demonstrate better. So companies will check on your communication skills. Number 2, we don't want people to manage marketing. We don't want to manage finance. We don't want them to manage to IT. We want people who can manage people. So at IIM-Jammu, how many committees were you a part of? How many societies did you lead? Were you a part of the placement cell? Were you a part of the annual event? Were you the part of the marketing society? Were you the part of some research innovation? Did you lead? Is something your companies will be very curious. Is that there on the profile? And finally, the greatest transformation of COVID is the concept of lifetime employment. Concept of single employment is dead. But the question is, will you be able to show to the interviewer that you have the initiative to scale up constantly? How many free of cost courses have you done? Have you done 3 courses in finance, 3 courses in marketing, 3 courses in IT? The era of super specialist may come under serious question. While I'm not discouraging, if you love finance, go all the way to finance, but have a bouquet of skills. And then in the interview, where do you want to throw the torchlight is up to you. And if the interviewer asks you in February of 2020, why should we select you? Your answer should be, sure, sir, I'll be happy to answer that. I believe, sir, over my engineering for 4 years and thereafter my 2 years at IIM-Jammu, I have actually displayed a great amount of discipline and I would like to express myself as a determined doer. I strongly believe that I have, through my actions and selections, displayed that I am a self-motivated person who has the ability to perform with minimal external supervision and monitoring. And I sincerely believe that these virtues which I have acquired consciously over my journey should allow me to be a meaning contributor at your esteemed organization. This one slide in some sense summarizes what image you need to project by showing your P.I.C. pick, people management.